Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Vihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 4 from the diary of Anna Frank. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Lesson number 4 from the diary of Anna Frank, written by Anna Frank, that is by herself. Before starting lesson, we should know about the introduction of the lesson. Annelie Mary Anna Frank was born on 12 June 1929 and she was died in 1945. She was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building for 2 years. They were transported to the concentration camp system where Anna died of typhoid. Father Otto Frank, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anna Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicled the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Anna Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Here we have some key points to understand the whole lesson. It's about diary of Anna Frank, written by herself. Writing diary is a strange experience for her because of her little age. Paper has more patience than people because she could not believe in people. Why she has started the diary? Because she doesn't have any friend. Anna loves and respect for grandma, even she had not celebrated her birthday. It's a kissing used to annoy with Anna because she used to talk in class much. Kissing assigned first essay to Anna, then he assigned second essay to Anna. Finally, he assigned third essay to Anna. Finally, Anna was allowed to talk in the class when she had finished her third essay by writing in the form of poem, and Father Swan killed its baby duckling, because they talked too much. Here I am giving you character sketch of Anna Frank. For writing character sketch, I am giving you key points, so use them. First one, introduction of Anna Frank. Then second, she was the girl of strong desire. Third, her ambition to find true friend. Fourth, her love and respect to grandma. Fifth, she was bold and frank girl. Sixth, she was a chatterbox. And finally, she was obedient girl or obedient student. So let's come to the explanation of the lesson, and we can start with writing diary was a strange experience to Anna because she thought that neither she nor anyone else would be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old school girl. But it was no matter. She felt like writing. She thought that paper has more patience than people. That's why she didn't want to let anyone else read until she would ever find a real friend. Now the question is that why she wanted to keep a diary in the first place. She wanted to keep a diary in the first place because she didn't have a friend or true friend. If we talk about her loneliness, then she had parents, loving parents, 16 years old sister, and she knew 30 people whom she could call friends. But the reality was that she didn't have any true friend. That's why she started writing diary and she called it Friend Kitty. Basically, Anna was born on 12 June 1929 in Frankfurt, but her early education was from Holland. She always lived with her grandma. She loved her, respected her. When she was died in 1942, she did not celebrate her birthday. Just she lit the candle with the rest. In her schooling, she got along pretty well with all her teachers except Mr. Kissing, who was math teacher, and he was annoyed with Anna because she talked so much in the class. After several warnings, he assigned her extra homework, an essay on the subject, a chatterbox. In her chatterbox, she argued that talking is a student's trade and that she would do her best to keep it under control, but that she would never be able to cure herself of the habit since her mother talked as much as she did. When she proceeded to talk her way, then she was assigned second essay on an incorrigible chatterbox, and finally she was assigned on essay Quick, said Mistress Chatterbox. This third essay she had finished in the form of poem. It was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quaked too much. Luckily, Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way and he allowed Anna to talk in the class. Mr. Kissing always making jokes on these days. So here I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts to score full marks. Finally, I am giving you question answers. So go through the questions and their key points to know how to write answer properly and get full marks.